Hi viewers, this is Mosur and I am from Technical Platforms. So now I am going to quick discuss about what is AWS and what is AWS Management Consoles. So basically AWS nothing but it stands for Amazon Web Services. So it's provided by the Amazon company. Everybody know that what is uh, Amazon company. So So they are providing fully managed service for the cloud-based managed service to the user of the companies. So now I'm going to discuss about the quick overview of the AWS Management Console. So I can connect with the AWS Management Console by the user interface. That means web-based applications, and or I can also connect with the CLI commands. So now I'm going to connect with the user interface. So now first of all I should go for the login. So I'm clicking on the login page. Okay, so my AWS management controls login page is already coming. So I'm logged in as a root user. So now I'm logging now. So basically this is a landing page. This is a AWS management console landing page for the UI. So if you look into that URL, there is also mentioned console.aws.amazon.com. This is a landing page of the AWS. So all the available service is showing option here. You can see here AWS services. This is a searchable text box. So whatever you service you want to search, you can search it and you will get the quick results. So also you just look into that. There is a drop down also services drop down, and if you look into this is a user information. This is my root user, so I can this is my root user, my name, and this my I can go to my account for the editing purpose, my origin, billing dashboard, my security credential, and this drop down called the regions. So I already told you so how the Amazon cloud is working. So actually, as of now, the AWS that means Amazon has it's maybe approximate 15 regions. So actually, total all over the world, Amazon has divided as a 15 regions. Okay, so one region. So one region can one country can have the multiple regions. So and under the regions they have divided as a zones, and under this zone they have a various data center basically. So as of now the Amazon is already available the 15 regions, and under these 15 regions they have a various zones, but this is not mentioned. You don't need even, and under this zone they have a huge data center. So what do you mean by AWS region? Actually, suppose you want to store data. Okay, you want to store data, and so where you want to store data and which country. Suppose you want to store, why AWS very popular? Because this is a secure platform. So how this can be secure? So they have a various regions. So I have a data, so I want to store data in the India, so it will automatically replicate to other area also. So my but among these some services, but among all the services, some services are the region based service and some services are the global service. Okay, so suppose you want to make an instance, that means the and virtual machines. So Amazon gives the all are virtual virtual platforms. They are also giving the virtual machines, storage. So what kind of services you offering? You just we should go to the better. We cover to. So If I go to the compute sections, there is called the issue to light install, elastic container service, EKS, lambda, branch, elastic beanstalk. Under that, it has a storage menu. So under this storage, just look into it. S3 service, EFS service, Glacier, storage gateway. Under there is a database service. What kind of database they are offering? RDS, relational database service, Dynamo, MongoDB, DynamoDB, Elastic Cache. They support Elastic Cache, Neptune, Amazon, Redshift. Then they have a migration system. So they are giving the various way of migration. AWS migrations have application discover service, users, uh, database migration service, application migration service, server migration service, Snowball. That means for the then network content delivery, CDN, or network and content delivery. Under this network and content delivery, you can see the VPC, Cloud Front, Route 53, API Gateway, Direct Connect. Another developer tool. Under this developer tool, it has a code star, code commit, code builds, code deploy, code pipeline, code system. So how a developer can connect with the AWS console, and how can it develop their code and automatically commit and build, and automatic commit, then it will be built and it will be deployed, testing and deployed to the server. So all the features, all the services here. After that, they have also given the management tools. So under this manager, you just look into it: the cloud watch, AWS auto scaling, cloud formation, cloud tail config, AWS blah blah. They are also giving the media services. They are giving also machine learning services, machine তারপর they are brother, they are also giving the analytical services, security and identity services. Under that, there you are just looking at IAM, Cognito, secret management, credential, all are blah blah. You just go to the Amazon web service sites and logged into these sites. After that, you will get this landing page. You should go, it will be better. So I think before going to this page, you have to pay 1 rupees uh, for with the 1 rupees. After that, you will get this landing page. Then they are offering also mobile services, ARNs, application integration, customer engagement, business productivity, desktop and app streaming, and internet and things, game development. So I think all the which are required for the industries. So maximum services they are giving by default. So they are giving the services. You buy and you just use their services. You don't have to take any extra headaches for this to make any data center. Suppose if you want to make the data center, you just go to the VPC. This is virtual private cloud. VPC, virtual private cloud. So this is ultimately part of the data center. Under this data center, whatever you require, you can do as you wish. So so this kind of services is offering by the Amazon. So thank you. After that, I'll go to the individual services. What is the S3? What is the issue 2? What is the PPC? What is the DS? I'll discuss one by one individually. Okay, thank you, viewers.